As you can see, this is indices. Indices is to understand formula and apply it. Indices is to know how to break a number into a law notation or a base and index. Let's say a number like 81. To break it into law notation or base and index is the same thing as 2 raised power 4. And when it was 2 raised power 4 is equivalent to what? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 up to 4 will give you 81. A number like 16, to break it into base and index or law notation is the same thing as 2 raised power 4. And when it was 2 raised power 4 is equivalent to what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 up to 4 will give you 16. A number like 8, to break it into base and index is the same thing as 2 raised power 3. And when it was 2 raised power 3 is equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2 up to 3 will give you 8. A number like 128, to break it into base and index or law notation is the same thing as 2 raised power 7. And when it was 2 raised power 7 is equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 up to 7 will give you this 128. A number like 9, to break it into base and index is the same thing as 2 raised power 2. And when it was 2 raised power 2 is the same thing as 3 times 3 up to this 2 will give you 9. So on indices, once you know how to break your number into this form, into base and index, it will be very easy for you to solve any question on indices. Let's solve the same question I showed us earlier. Simplify. Simplify x simplify 4 raised power minus x times 16 raised power 2x minus 2 divided by 4 raised power 2x minus 3 times 128. So when they give you question to answer on indices, first thing you need to think or to remember is to remember how to break a number into base and index or into law notation. Let's solve it. For the question, as you can see, we can break this and this and this into our base and index and apply all the power. For our 4 is the same thing as 2 raised power 2. Why are we applying our bracket? It's because our 4, which is our base here, comes with power. We are applying our bracket to separate it. Minus x times our 16 is the same thing as 2 raised power 4. Let's draw our power, which is 2x minus 2 all over what we did up, we did it down. 4, 2 raised power 2, our power, which is 2x minus 3. This dot is our times 128 is the same thing as 2 raised power 7 as our base and index. So what we need to do now is to open bracket. Open bracket. Let's bring our 2, which is our base. 2 times minus x is minus 2x times, let's bring our base, which is our 2. 4 times 2x is 8x. Let's bring our minus. 4 times 2 is 8. Divide by what we did up, we did it down. Let's bring our 2 here. 2 times 2x is 4x. Let's bring our minus. 2 times 3 is what? 6. Let's bring our what? Our base and which is our 2 raised by 7. The law says whenever we have multiples of bases. We should make use of one and added all their power. And as you can see, we have one base here, we also have one base here. We can only make use of one and added all their power. So 2 raised power minus 2x, our multiplication will turn to addition, plus 8x minus 8 divided by the same thing we did here. We have base here, we have base here. 2 into 4x minus 6, multiplication turn to plus, addition, 2 minus 2x plus 8 is same as what? 6x. Let's bring our minus 8 here, divided by 2 is power 4x minus 6 plus 7 is minus 1. Minus 1. So on this stage, we might decide to turn it upside down, which is 2 raised power 6x minus 8 divided by 2 raised power 4x minus 1, so that we can make use of one base, because we have base here, one base here. We can make use of one base and added all the power. 2 raised power 6x minus 8. Our division will turn to subtraction, 4x minus 1. So what we need to do is to collect like this. Collect like times. So unlike times means that you bring those that are common in one side, while those that are not common in the other side. These 6x and 4x will go together. This minus x and minus 1 will go together. So 2 raised power 6x minus 4x, then minus 8, then minus 1. 2 raised power 6x minus 4x is 2x. Then minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9. This is our final answer. Thank you very much for giving me your time.